Let's look at how to create a crop plan. To start a new crop plan, click on the plus icon. Enter the plan name. I suggest the crop type and year as the title. Enter the crop type you are adding to the plan here. Enter the start and end date here. It could be the calendar year, or you can start it in the fall the previous year to accommodate any fall applications. Select the fields that are going to be planted to this crop. I'm going to add all the fields that are Bob's and David's. Notice how I type in the box to find the fields quickly. In order to be able to save the plan, you need to add at least one application. This could be a seeding operation. Enter the planned date of application. We will enter a seed and variety here. If you are unsure of what variety will be planted, you can enter an unknown variety and edit the supply later. You can save with just the seed, or if you put fertilizer down in the same application, you can add that now. Then, save the plan. Now let's have a look at making changes to an existing plan. Select the plan and then select the pencil. In this wheat plan, I want to change the variety going on the 2 David fields. I will delete the fields that will not be AAC Brandon from the seed line here. Next, I will click Add Seed and a new line will pop up for another product. I click the X next to the drop-down arrow to remove all fields. Then I select only the David fields. I use the variety Glen and add the seeding rate. Then click Save. Crop Planner gives you the opportunity to create multiple crop plans to evaluate the potential return for multiple crops. Once you've determined which crop plan you're going to implement, you can change the plan to active. There are a couple ways to activate a plan. First way is to select a plan and then select the pencil. When the plan is open, simply change the status from plan to active and save the changes. Here we see the plan shows as active. I quickly changed things back to planned, and now I will show you the other way to set it active. Again, select the crop plan and click the pencil. Now navigate to the bottom and select Save and Update. This will do two things. It will change the plan to active and update the information in the Field Manager. Now I will show the field information has been saved in the Field Manager as well. Here I am typing to search for the David fields. As you recall, I had those planned to be seeded to Glen. Now I'll search for the Bob fields. As you see, those are planned to be AEC Brandon, and the seeding date and rate information has been updated as well. Finally, we will go back to the crop planner and edit this plan one more time to add another fertilizer application. I will click the Add Application button and call this one fertilizer. In this example, I'm planning to have urea spread prior to seeding in April. I will select to add fertilizer and put the product and rate in the plan. Then I will switch the custom applied toggle on and add the estimated application cost. Finally, I will save the fertilizer application. Now if we look at the supply expense summary on the next work screen, we can see all the applications planned for each field and the cost associated. Back on the crop plans work screen, I can print the plan summary. Simply select the PDF icon and the plan will be saved to your download file. When you open the file, it will look like this. You can save or print from here. We hope you will start creating crop plans today. Thank you for watching.